If you work in supply chain in the life science industry, you probably know this feeling. You're looking at your production plan and these key questions come up. Are there delays at my CMO? What's causing them? What's the impact? And most importantly, in case of a delay, what can I do about it right now? The reality is that most pharma companies don't own their full production plan. Chances are that you too rely on multiple suppliers and on contract manufacturing organizations to outsource the bulk and API production, packaging, artwork and other manufacturing steps that are relevant for the success of your supply chain. In other words, it can be a long and complex supply chain, and it's only as strong as its weakest link. A single bottleneck at a CMO can cause delays that can impact the entire process. A late API delivery, a missing leaflet, packaging that's not ready, and suddenly you are facing a serious disruption that can delay medicine reaching patients. This often has significant financial and compliance risks. Every supply chain expert I talk to wants the same thing: visibility and control. You want to know what's happening, where potential issues are building up, and how to act before they escalate. The good news, that's not much to ask. The data is already there. It's in your systems and in those of your CMOs. The challenge is simple. How do you bring it all together in one clear view? That's exactly why we developed the CMO Cockpit. It's an SAP-based add-on that gives you the complete visibility of your outsourced manufacturing processes directly inside your existing SAP environment. No extra tools, no separate logins. From one cockpit you can see the entire chain. If something is causing an issue, you know immediately where the issue lies, whether it's an API availability, a delay in packaging, or a pending quality release. You can drill down and take action, and you can instantly see the effect of your decisions. You can shift a delivery, adjust an order, or even transport from truck to air. And you immediately know whether you can still deliver on time. Our customers see a clear improvement in delivery reliability and planning accuracy, because everyone, from planners to buyers and CMOs, works from the same data. That means fewer surprises, faster decision-making, and lower inventory levels at your CMOs. And the best part, you don't have to wait for months to see the results. The CMO Cockpit can be implemented in just a few weeks, and it can be expanded step by step as your collaboration with your CMOs grows. In life sciences, every delay needs immediate action for your operations, for your customers, and for patients waiting on their medication. With the CMO Cockpit, you finally get the visibility you need to take control of your entire production chain.